When many people make chili oil at home, they pour oil directly on the chili, which is actually wrong. No wonder it doesn't smell good. It's bitter, and the color doesn't look appealing. The key to making chili oil is, first, fragrance, second, redness, and third, spiciness. Today, I will share the correct method with you. Prepare 150 grams of dried chili. Pour it into a pan without water or oil and stir-fry it on low heat for about 5 minutes until it smells fragrant. Pour the fried chili into a meat grinder and grind it into a coarse chili powder. Pour it into a large bowl and add another 150 grams of fine chili powder. When making chili oil, using 2 types of chili powder creates better flavor and a more attractive color. Next, add a tablespoon of cooking oil, a spoonful of white wine, a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of 5-spice powder, and a spoonful of white sugar. Stir well. The chili powder is now coated with cold oil and white wine. This prevents it from burning when hot oil is poured in. Many people mistakenly add water at this point, which is wrong. Now pour a bowl of peanuts into a dry pan. Stir-fry on low heat until fragrant and fully cooked. Once done, let the peanuts cool completely, then rub off the skins. Grind the peanuts using a meat grinder or crush them in a bag with a rolling pin. Prepare your aromatics. Cut half an onion into small pieces. Slice green onions diagonally. Slice a piece of ginger thinly and place it on a plate. Prepare a handful of washed coriander. Set aside a few bay leaves, 2 star anises, 1 cinnamon stick, a piece of dried tangerine peel, and about 58 Sichuan peppercorns. Once the peanuts have cooled and are ready, pour a suitable amount of rapeseed oil into a pan. When the oil is hot, add the ginger, onion, green onion, and coriander. Fry slowly on low heat until the moisture is fully released. Then add the dry spices and continue frying on low heat until everything turns golden brown. Strain out the fried aromatics and spices. Set the infused oil aside. Now turn up the heat and heat the oil to about 270 degrees Celsius. Scoop a spoonful of hot oil and pour it over the chili mixture for the first time. This releases the red oil from the chili. Stir evenly with chopsticks. Then add 88 grams of white sesame seeds. Important: do not pour sesame seeds directly on top of the chili powder without mixing. This will cause bitterness. After mixing, pour the second spoonful of hot oil to enhance the aroma. Stir well. Then add the crushed peanuts and pour the third round of hot oil. This final pour intensifies the spicy flavor. Mix thoroughly. Finally, add a small spoonful of white vinegar to boost the red color. Don't worry, it won't taste sour because the vinegar evaporates quickly. And that's it. Your homemade chili oil is ready. The water content is completely gone, and it has a strong aroma. It's red, fragrant, and spicy, with a beautiful color. You can make a big batch, store it in a sealed bottle, and use it in various ways: cold dishes, stir-fries, noodles, hot pot, or even on steamed buns. It's incredibly delicious. If you've learned it, try making it at home.